Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to buy Safemoon on Trust Wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Helpline, and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Trust Wallet on your device and log in. To get the Safemoon crypto on Trust Wallet, you must first buy BNB coins and transfer it to your Trust Wallet. To do so, tap BNB and tap Receive. Now copy the address and withdraw your BNB coins from Binance Exchange to this address. Once you have the coins in your wallet, swap the BNB to Smart Chain. To do so, tap BNB and tap More. Tap Swap to Smart Chain. Select the percentage of your coins that you want to swap and tap Swap. Now that you have BNB Smart Chain, tap DApps at the bottom. Here, scroll down and tap Pancake Swap. Next, tap Connect Wallet at the top right. Tap Trust Wallet and tap Connect. Once your wallet is connected, select Safemoon for the second option. Now add the amount you want to buy. And tap Swap. Confirm the swap and tap Approve after you check the details of your purchase. So that's how you buy Safemoon on Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.